Good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today we will learn how to use validation control in ASP.NET. First we start with the compare validator and required field validator control. So if you want to compare the passwords, then we can use compare validator. So enter as the original password and retype password. Okay, and that is the text box here. Change the name of the text box is password. Change the ID property of the password is pwd text, and the retype password also change the retype, that is the retype. Okay, now flash the single button control here, that is the check compare it. Okay, first we start required field validator. In the required field validator, the password must to enter in the box. Okay, that is a validation and the required field validator. Okay, set the property of the required field validator is, that is the error message, removed it, and text is a password must, control to validate as a password text. Also set the validation group, because if we use validation group, then we can clubbing all the controls in a single group. Okay, does not link to the other controls. Okay, so is the validation group VG. Okay, same, also set the validation group is VG, the same validation group VG, and also is the VG, and the compare required field validator validation group is VG, and the for color is the right color. Okay, that is the password color. Okay, and copied it, and same as the password must, change the retype password must, retype password must, control to validate is a retype, and remaining are same. Also place the compare validator control, go to the property, remove the error message, and assign the text does not match. Okay, control to compare password, control to validate, retype, and the type is a string also, because the text box hold the string. Okay, the validation group is VG. Okay, and the for color is right, and also set the display is a static and dynamic. So control to validate, yeah, that is the display and dynamic. Display also set required field validator static as well as dynamic. So replace when the retype password is filled that does not match, then assign here that does not match validator. So you can say compare validator. So run it. So when the password must and retype must, so password is Jacob and retype must Jacob. That is the match. When we assign the 1, and that is the Jacob 1 does not match. What is this? When we click another side, when we click on compare it, then compare, but when we click on other side on button control, then also work. That is, check it. When we click on Jacob 1 and click other side of the button control, that is this validation is working. What is this? This is the enable client side enable client side script. Client side script is true. False it. Property, false it, properties, and false it. Okay, saved it and again refresh it. What is the enable client side also learned. When we click when we enter into the Jacob, oh, match it, oh, does not work it. So when we click on compare it, then working JavaScript. If we other side, if you want to enable client script, that is view page source, a script of the JavaScript is running. Okay, does not, that is a compare field validator control, and removed it, it's working. Yeah, and a required field validator control is working. Password match does not match. Okay, thank you very much for watching. The enable client side scripting is enabled. When enable client side scripting is enabled, then do not necessary to click on the button. You can also click on other side of the button control, that is click, when enable client side is true. Otherwise, if you false, then must to click on the button for validating the page by the server. Okay, thank you very much.